Okay, today we are going to talk about the interior angles of a triangle, which are the angles inside of a triangle. The sum of the three interior angles is 180 degrees. This is also called triangle sum theorem. Okay, so if you look down here at this diagram, we have angle D plus angle E and angle plus angle F, which all equal, if you add them up, 180 degrees. Okay, for this first example, we're going to find the missing angle value x. And what we're going to do is just set up an equation, 25 plus x plus 20, because we know all the angles all together add up to 180 degrees. Next, I'm going to combine my like terms. So this should be something that's review from 7th grade. I'm going to combine 20 and 25 and add those together, which would be 45 plus x equals 180 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to finish with using my inverse operations. Again, this should be review from 7th grade. So I'm going to subtract 45 to find out what x is equal to. So 180 minus 45 should be 135 degrees. For example 2, we know that if we add up all of the angles inside of a triangle, they're going to equal 180 degrees. So we're going to write that out. And then I'm going to combine 25 with 105. You should get 130 plus x equals 180. Then I'm going to subtract 130 from 180 to find x. And x should equal 50 degrees. Again, we know that the three interior angles inside a triangle add up to 180 degrees, so I'm going to set that up. Then I'm going to combine my like terms, so I can add 65 and 75 to get 140 plus x equals 180. Then I'm going to subtract 140 from both sides, and that should give me x. So x equals 40 degrees. This last example is going to be a little more challenging because we have one big triangle that is kind of broken into two smaller triangles. We're going to start with triangle ABC, which I'm outlining right now. And we know that the three inside angles of a triangle add up to 180. So what we're going to do to find this angle right here, we're going to add 51 plus 47 plus x equals 180. And I'm going to add 51 plus 47, which is 98, plus x equals 180. Then I'm going to subtract 98 from both sides so I can find out what x is. So x equals 82. All right, so this angle right here is 82 degrees. In order to find angle BCD, which is this angle right here, I can use the fact that angle ACB, this one that we just found, that's 82 degrees, and BCD are supplementary, so I can just subtract 180 minus 82, which is what we just found, to give me angle BCD. And when I subtract, I get angle BCD is equal to 98 degrees, which kind of leads into what tomorrow's lesson will be about. So now that we have this angle right here, BCD, which is 98 degrees, we can find angle DBC, which is this right here. So angle DBC. And we can find that by adding 2 of the 3 interior angles, which we know add up to 180. So 98 plus 48 plus x equals 180. So I'm going to add 98 plus 48. When I add 98 plus 48, I get 146 plus x equals 180. And I'm going to subtract 146 from 180 to find x. And I get 34 degrees. So that angle DBC is 34 degrees right here.